Good afternoon. Today we are going to run a simple business scenario where we are going to see how to execute production order. That means how to produce a product. So I'm not going to use the menu path. I'm going to use simplicity the transaction codes. The prerequisite to run this business scenario is you got to have a BOM for the finished product, and you got to have standard routing, and you need to have production version also. That's the minimum thing. With that, you can start executing production or making the product. Okay, so the transaction code is CO01. That's create production order. The material 7096, that it's a laptop. Okay, and we are producing in plant 3000, and there is a standard production order which is going to have internal numbers. That means the number for this production order is going to be created all by itself by the system. Now go ahead and hit enter. Click on this little icon. So first question, how many you would like to make tablets? So 5, 10, 5 tablets I would like to make. And the scheduling is backward. What does it mean? Means you need to tell me when you want to produce it. You want to produce within a couple of days. That means maybe 29th. So the system is going to calculate when to start the process. How? You click on enter. The program behind the screen is going to execute, and you must have seen it started copying the BOM which you already created, the routing and everything. It was going pretty fast on the status line. Okay, now you can see all the dates here. Then let's go and take a look at the master data. Master data. So that's the production version. This is the routing which you created. This is the BOM. That means whatever you created is being copied to this order. Okay? That's the meaning. So you can also see the same information right here. You have icons. You click on this icon. That's going to show you to make this product what goes in. And this is the one which goes in. And also you need to, here the storage location is defaulted. But in the previous iteration, we have seen there is no stock here. So we have seen a production version storage location which is 0099. That's the one which has got the stock. Okay. And also there is another functionality here which is a backflush. If you take a look at this backflush. So if I say do the backflush, what does it mean? For this production order, goods issue is going to happen automatically. That means I'm not going to do goods issue. I'm not going to do Migo. Okay? Why? Because I'm going to backflush it. Very good. What else? I can check the material availability. That means, do I have enough stock in 0099? Let us check it out. Select this line item. Say, check for the material availability of DBC 1040. Click. See? It's available. And if I change it to something, for example, 001, I don't have stock. So if I click on this, it's going to give me that missing parts. You see that? So that's why I went ahead, since I already know, I changed it to 0099. So now the next thing is, can I see the operations? Meaning, can I see the routing? Yes. You click here, you can see the routing. And you have a routing with the two different work centers. 1904 is one work center. This is another work center. Okay, you are doing some installation, final assembly, maybe. Okay, so that's the second operation. Okay, then the next step here is going to be you check for the capacity of all these work centers and no requirements. That means there is no demand. Click enter. Capacity is available on all work centers, which is good. Then go ahead do the calculation part, cost of the this production order. Then do the scheduling. Then after that release it. After that save it. Okay, you got the number. That production order number. So next step is should be goods issue. But since we backflashed it, we do not have to do that. We can directly go to confirmation /n/co 11n enter /n/co 11n. Okay. So here we need to enter the order number 60005424. That's the order number. And we have two operations. Let's go and pick the first operation to do the confirmation, and also the partial confirmation should be final confirmation. Go ahead and hit enter. So it is going to say to make 5 laptops. My machine is running for 40 minutes. Labor is working for 40 hours. So if that is the right thing, go ahead and put it. If it is not, maybe I took 2 hours more. So I put 2 hours more because the calculator, the planned hours are supposed to be 40. For some reason I took 2 hours more. So that is added. Go ahead and save it. There's no scrap. You see that? It's done. And we have one more operation. Go ahead and pick the second operation also. It's the final. Okay. And changes to final confirmation. Go ahead and hit enter. You got the numbers and save. So it is done. So what would be the next step? Go ahead and do my goods receipt. Receive the final product. Okay. Goods receipt for order. Order is 6000-123-5424. Enter. The system knows that it has to bring the custom tablets to receive 5 quantity. Okay. Save it. Material document is posted. Now let's go and take a look at our stock MMPE. The material is 7096. Storage location is 0088. And execute. And you should see the stock. So the stock is gone up. Put your cursor there and take a look at the material movements. 5 quantity. If you double click on this number, you can see the production order also 5424, and you can even see finance documents that are posted behind the screen. So this is the accounting document. Double click on it. You can see the accounting documents. See the dollars are posted because of the inventory changes. Okay. So similarly, if you go and take a look at the raw material, the input component, which is DPC, 1020 refresh or go to view selection. Okay. So here I need to see the storage location. So in order to see the storage location, go one step back and remove this. It's not a correct one. And execute. And you can see that this is the storage location, and here we can see the number of goods issue. Okay, so see, -5 is already gone, but I haven't done it. It's been done by the system because I backflashed it. So you can see my number 5424, same number, and it reduced 5 quantity minus. That means without me doing it, it has done it. Reason, I did the backflash. So that is the functionality. So similarly, we can also do one more automation that is called goods receipt automation. Also can be done, and you can even do the release automation. Okay, so that will be the next steps, and that's